This is Krenov's oak Parquetry Cabinet, built in the back room of the College of the Redwoods workshop in 1997. Though Krenov's body of work often defies an organization into periods, this piece came during a string of cabinets in the mid-1990s that all played with parquetry, the patterned arrangement of veneers. Here, Krenov used a particularly wild-grained plank of white oak, sawn into sequential veneers, to make a painterly cabinet exterior. The interior is broken into small shelves and drawers by a series of dividers, a signature of Krenov's cabinets that allowed his work to complement a collection of fine things. This piece's stand is particularly rectilinear for Krenov, and betrays his roots in the English arts and crafts movement, which he inherited by way of his teacher, Carl Mommsen, who had visited the Barnsleys and Gimson in England in the early 20th century.
And just a wonderful piece. It's, to me, unusual because he didn't do much with oak. Not many people do, but this unusual pattern that he constructed here on the front and also the two sides really made it, to me, very, very special. I, of course, would visit the school every once in a while, and I saw J.K. making this cabinet, and I talked to him a little bit about it. He and I were sort of friendly in school. We used to play tennis together and what have you. And he told me this for sale, and I said, I'd like to buy it. And he said, okay, we agreed on a price. And when he finally finished it, he made the presentation here. I photographed that. And then after the presentation, I carried it up and put it in my car. That's been mine ever since.